Hello all, I'm Sumed Muril from MES College of Pharmacy Mehkar, and today I'm discuss on the topic impact of COVID-19 on pharma sector, especially hometown pharmacies and pharmacists. Okay, now we all are know that pharmacist is a frontline healthcare worker. Okay, or pharmaceutical services are in essential services. So pharmacist and pharmacist is most important for the healthier and safest life of peoples. Okay, so in that paper we discuss on the impact of covid-19 on infrastructure, then impact of covid-19 on economy, then impact of covid-19 on pharmaceutical products, then pharmaceutical product chain, and impact of covid-19 on hygienic conditions. Okay, so we all are know that pharmacists play an most important role in good life or good health of patient. But due to the covid-19, that pharmacist suffering from troubleshoot problems. Okay, problems related to the shortage of drugs and pharmaceutical products, then problem related to the delivery of products, then problems related to the e-pharmacy. Due to the e-pharmacy there is a less fulfillment of people due to the less workers work inside the pharmacy. So many problems are there. Okay, one of most important problem is police permission for the delivery of drugs, then licenses for the two-wheeler or four-wheelers. Less licenses are given for the less vehicles, so there is also a big problem for the delivery of drugs. So many problems are there. Okay, so firstly we discuss on impact on duties. Okay, impact of covid-19 on duties of pharmacist. Okay, so pharmacist must wear a cap and mask, then pharmacist must wear gloves, then pharmacist must wash their hands with sanitizers and soaps, then pharmacist must be or should be clean their tabletops at every hour or at every person visited inside the pharmacy. So it's the most important changes in the duties of most important changes in the duties of pharmacist. Okay, now the most important impact on infrastructural changes. It's a very big problem. We know that all pharmacies are situated in a roadside. Okay, and they have then that have a very less space for the waiting of peoples. Okay, and due to that less space, the changes in infrastructure is very difficult. Means what exactly changes means physical barriers between the peoples and pharmacist. Which type of physical barriers like glass barriers, then line marking, line spacing, then lines due to the threads, then 1 meter line due to the safe distancing. All those things are very hard to maintain in less space. So pharmacists suffering from that big problem, that is the safe distancing problem. How to maintain a safe distance? Less space, high peoples. So how it possible to maintain this social distancing, safe distancing between the peoples and the customers? It's a very big and difficult problem. Okay, now the impact of hygienic conditions, self hygiene and shop hygiene, that too is very most important things. It's a good impact, what we can say, it's a good impact on the pharmacies and pharmacists. Okay, but what exactly in hygiene means? Self hygiene means using cap, mask, gloves, sanitizers and all those things. It's included in a good hygiene. Okay, and also the cleaning of tabletops at every hour, then cleaning of racks, then cleaning of floor of pharmacies, then every uh, patient or every customer wash their must be wash their hands when it inside in the pharmacy. So all these things is related to the hygienic conditions. Okay, safe distance between the customers and the pharmacist to avoid the droplet infection. Okay, then safe distancing by glass barrier to avoid the touch. Okay, so all these things are maintained by the pharmacist inside of a pharmacy. That is a good thing. So it's a good impact of covid-19 on pharmacies. Okay, now next with this impact on a medicinal product. Okay, it's a very important impact. Okay, most of the active ingredients, most of the drugs are purchased from the China. Most of the excipients, that excipients is very important for the formulation and development of pharmaceutical products, that all those things are purchased from the China and various countries. Okay, but due to the airways breakout, or due to the stoppage of airways, there is a big problem of purchasing, there is a big problem of transportation, there is a big problem of import and export of drugs and excipients from the other countries and from the Indias. So due to that export and import problem, production is very less, because industry is having very less amount of raw material, and due to the less amount of raw material, there is a less production, and due to the less production, less products inside the market, and due to the less product of marketing, it's a less product inside the consumer's hands. So it's a very big problem that is suffering from the pharmacist. Now the pharmacist suffering from that. Okay, medicinal product. Okay, the daily uses medications like BP tablets, okay, cold tablets, headache tablets, vomiting tablets, then tablets related to the heart, tablet related to the BP. All those tablets are very rarely available in pharmacies due to the less transportation, due to the less workers for the transportation. Okay, so common people and pharmacists both are suffering from that problem. Okay, so it's a very difficult situation. Some pharmacies having drugs, some pharmacies having sufficient medicinal product, but less transportation. Okay, some pharmacies and pharmacists having less storage of drugs, but having high transportation. So it's a vice versa condition during this current situation. Okay, in what we can say, in small town there is a less workers and less transportation. So our hometown is suffering from the very big issue, that is storage and transportation of medicinal product. Okay, now the impact of medicinal chain supply. Okay, less industrial development, less industrial production, then less pharmaceutical products, then less transportation, then less in wholesaler, then less amount in wholesaler, then less amount to the pharmacist, and less amount to the pharmacist, and less amount in consumer hand. So it's a very big outbreak in pharmaceutical chain supply also. So it's also can show a very big issue during the transportation of medicinal products. Okay, so at last, in summary, we say that pharmacies are suffering from various problems, and that COVID-19 showing the impact on various things related to the pharmacies and pharmacists. Okay, there is two sides for that impact: good impact and bad impact. Good impact related to the self hygiene, shop hygiene, then it's a pharmacist's responsibility to say the customers or to regulate or to take a norms related to the responsibilities to the about the customers for the self hygiene. Okay, show various types of banners inside of a pharmacy to avoid the viral infection. They show, then gives various types of pamphlets to the customers to avoid the infections, to avoid the infection due to the COVID-19. So all these responsibilities are done by the pharmacy. It's a good thing, it's a good impact. Or when we consider a bad impact, so bad impact include the transportation, less production, less economy, then less working capacity, less workers, and all those things are maintained by the pharmacist. And due to that maintenance, and one side he maintain all those things, and another side that pharmacist fulfill the need of person or need of the customers. So that pharmacies and pharmacists are suffering from 50% good things and suffering from 50% bad things. Okay, so overall the pharmacy and hometown pharmacies and pharmacists are suffering from a problem in our current situation. So it's our responsibility to give support to that type of pharmacist, that pharmacist is really work out for the peoples and common community peoples. So how we can help him? So firstly, give moral support to the pharmacist. If pharmacist having a less products, then give some time for it, for him or for her, for the purchasing of that type of medication from some another medical stores. Okay, then the very easy way, give a list of medications on WhatsApp to the pharmacist, and then he deliver his drugs to in your door. So it's very good thing for the maintenance, self distance maintenance, and to avoid the to control the outbreak of COVID-19. So we help him for that. Okay, so this is some resources from that we collect, or I collect that all type of informations for these papers. Okay, especially I talk some pharmacists and I visit some pharmacists, and then I study the real situation of that, and then we wrote it. Okay, so thank you, thanks for giving me this opportunity. Thank you so much. Thanks.